right, so I have some leftover bean gravy. It's white kidney beans, sage, salt, pepper, and olive oil, blended up almost to liquefied. I added some tomato and a little bit of parsley to it. Little green onions in there as well. And what I did is I took some jackfruit and I put it in the pan and I crisped it up a little bit. Not like too crispy, but just so some of the edges and stuff crisped up. And since I had the leftover gravy, I thought let's try it like that. So it's in olive oil and a little bit of pepper and salt. Now, if I would have done this earlier, because I was out in the yard with the garden and everything, maybe some rice or something under that. And then on top of that would look really nice and good. See if it's cooled down a little bit so I can give it a try here. Still looks kind of hot. Oh yeah, that's good. I knew it would be good because I did it as a chicken cutlet. So I wanted to see if I just had it crisped enough but left like kind of moist. It's good. It's like if you had some nice real chicken or something with rice and some brown gravy. So this is all vegan. This is beans and then the jackfruit. Which, if you're not familiar with jackfruit, you buy it as a naked or young, they call it young jackfruit. That way it's not mature and it's not a fruit. It's still in its growing stage. That's why it looks the way it looks. But this is really good. So a little rice would be really good, like white rice or something like that would be a really good dish. So yeah, this tastes really good. And a little bit different than a chicken cutlet because it's not crispy all the way through. It's like what the chicken cutlet tastes like inside, while the whole outer shell was nice and crispy. So maybe some rice, maybe some pasta even, or something like that. All right, lots of love to you. Bye-bye.